Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G louder. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app. Just type the volume. And how you can see there we have a few apps to do it. I'm always using this one, so we have to open it. Decide that you want to get notification, I don't need to, and click no thank you 3 times. Or just agree that you have to decide it by yourself. Okay, now tap OK, and the tool is active. If you want to increase the volume booster, just swipe it to the right, the 16 is max, so just adjust it to your needs on this little slider, and if you go back, the tool is still active. But if you want to turn it off, just open the background apps, choose that one, and tap on the stop service, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.